Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be talking about functional stickers in your planner, how you can use them to help you to organize your spread and ultimately organize your life. So I am currently setting up the day in my daily planner, but I'm going to be talking about why you should use functional stickers, and I'm going to show you the ones that I use in order to help me to plan my day and save space within my weekly spread as well. So why should you use functional stickers? The first reason why I really love to use them is because they are a lot of fun and they can reduce the mundane activity of planning. So planning can be a wonderful thing that we can do that helps us to keep our life organized and keep us up to date of everything that's coming up. But planning can also get really boring, especially if you are planning the exact same activities every single week, every single month. So having decorative and functional stickers can really help you to look forward to planning your life. I love getting sticker kits every now and then, and I really love using functional stickers because they make my spread look a little bit different every single week, and they make me look forward to planning. The second reason why I love to use functional stickers is because they really do help you to color code your plans and highlight specific tasks. So I will use different stickers for church, for home, for work, for personal tasks, and having these different stickers throughout my spread really helps me to highlight different things that are going on throughout my week. And the third reason why I really love to use small functional stickers is that they save space in my planner. So this one is really for those of us who are really busy and wear many different hats. Sometimes you need to save a lot of space within your planner, and functional stickers are a great way to save space within your planner while still adding additional details that you may need throughout your planner. Definitely gone overboard with all of the stickers that I have put on this spread, but I did this on purpose to show you all of the different ways that I will use functional stickers in order to help me to plan or in order to guide my eyes into different things that I want to accomplish throughout my day. So I have things like social media stickers to remind me to post to Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. I have email stickers to remind myself to check my email at a certain time. I also will use these pencil stickers to remind myself to do different things with the girls. I will use these for projects or homework that they may have. And I also have these computer stickers that I will use to mark off different classes that I have coming up, either for my membership or on YouTube Live. I have laundry stickers and reading stickers here that I will use to remind me to do laundry and reading. And I also have all of these additional ones for birthday, for budgeting, for booking and making phone calls and watering the plants and making reservations for our date night or marking off that it is a date night, different ones for church, and also spa stickers as well. So I use different types of functional stickers to remind myself of different things that I would like to do throughout the week. Now this is on a daily spread, so here as you can see I will write down next to it exactly what I have coming up, but many times within my planner I won't write next to it, and if I see the sticker then I know that that means that that's something that I need to do. For instance, on my weekly spread I have all of these functional stickers, and sometimes I will identify next to it what I'm supposed to be doing. Like here, as you can see, I have weekly budget. I have my grocery day here. I also have listed out birthday, and I will add a birthday sticker here. But sometimes I will not write down the words because I may want to save my space, but I still want to mark off that this is something that I need to do. So as you can see on Friday, I have the laundry basket sticker here, but I didn't write it out, but I know that I wanted to do laundry on this day because I see this basket. I also have reading down here, which I didn't write it out, but I see this sticker, and that lets me know that I wanted to get some reading done. So sometimes I will add the words, like how I have added church here, but other times I will just tell myself that this is something that I did. Like I drank coffee this morning and I did it during my morning routine, so I have added a coffee cup here. Now I can easily see on my daily, if I wanted to, I could flip here and see that I had coffee this morning. However, what I like to do is to add it on my weekly, and then that way I don't have to write it out if I don't want to, because once I see this icon, then I automatically know that this has happened. So using functional stickers in your spread can really help you to mark off additional things and save a lot of space within your planner while also adding in details. And of course, I've talked about using colorful boxes so much throughout my spread. I've been using colorful boxes for years, and that is just to highlight different things that are coming up throughout the week. The main thing that needs to happen on that day, I will put it in a colorful box. And that just to remind me what's the most important thing that I want to get done that day, or the most important thing that I want to remember. I will put that in colorful boxes because it just draws my eyes and makes it really easy for me to pay attention. So that is it for this video. I really just wanted to show you how you could use functional stickers within your planner in order to highlight and add details. If you're interested in any of the functional stickers that I've shown in this video, I will leave a link in the description box to my Etsy shop, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.